Hey folks, welcome to a new tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple jewelry production music video effect with Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select about 10 different clips and we're going to cut them into 3 frames. We're going to add them together. Select the first clip and we're going to look for the transform effect. We're going to drag it on top of our first clip like so. We're going to go to the first frame. We're going to choose scale. We're going to set it to 200. We're going to go to the end of the frame. We are going to reset back to the original position and scale. Now we're going to choose the last keyframe. We're going to choose ease in. We're going to take the first keyframe and we're going to choose ease out. And now we move to this section. We're going to uncheck use composition shutter. We are going to add a shutter angle of about 200 like so. So now that we are done, we're going to select the effect and then we're going to copy. Now we're going to choose the rest of the clips. And now we're going to press Ctrl V. So now you see how our effect has been added onto all the clips. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.